If white hair is peeping through your eyebrows and you are desperate to hide them, we have got you covered. The following simple steps to color eyebrows for white hair will help you eliminate this annoying problem. White or gray eyebrow hair can make you look awkward and end up ruining your makeup looks. Dyes and colors serve as the best and safest solution. The subheading itself is enough to give us an idea about the procedure. It revolves around the application of a root dye that offers temporary coverage to the white or gray hairs and eyebrows. You can avail these dyes in simple mascara-like containers. You can use them anytime and anywhere to give the roots of your brow hairs a nice touch-up. Coloring the gray or white hair and eyebrows with a regular hair dye is known to be the most popular method for this purpose. You can either get your brows dyed by a hairstylist at a salon or simply do it by your own in your home. Step 1. Start with cleansing your eyebrows thoroughly. There is no need to apply a facial wash. Rather, do it by using a simple cotton pad and lukewarm water. Once you are done with it, pat dry the brows and the surrounding skin gently. Step 2. Apply petroleum jelly. Vaseline is absolutely the perfect choice liberally to the skin around both of your eyebrows. This is important so that you do not end up staining your skin during the procedure. However, make sure that you do not apply it on your brows. Otherwise, they will not be able to hold on the color. Step 3. Wear a pair of disposable plastic gloves before starting the application. It will prevent your hands from getting dyed. Step 4. Go through the manufacturer's instructions that come with the coloring kit. Usually, it contains two specific solutions. One is color and the other is developer. They need to get mixed properly in order to activate the dye. Step 5. Now, apply it to your eyebrows with the help of a disposable mascara wand. You may lift the hairs up a little by using a toothpick and move the tips of the mascara wand along their roots for the best results. Step 6. Wait for some time so that the color can take hold of the brow hairs nicely. After that, rinse it off with a mild facial cleanser and lukewarm water. The best thing about coloring the white hair and eyebrows at home is that it needs less than 10 minutes. Also, you can save your bucks. Moreover, you get a wonderful natural look that lasts for long. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.